Welcome to the Autorox product demo, a state-of-the-art yet amazingly simple garage management software built to increase your garage's profitability and enhance customer satisfaction. In this video, I will show you how to invert parts from a hub for an order that has already been placed. From the main dashboard, click on Parts from the bottom of your screen and click on Invert. In this page, all you have to do is click on the downward arrow at the vendor field and just select the purchase order. Now select the bill number and you can see the details of the order mentioned below. You can see that the stock on the top of the page is selected automatically as we are inverting the parts directly into our inventory. Next, we will click on Invert from the bottom of the screen. In case you have made payment to the hub, you can enter it here, or if it's on credit, you can just simply close the pop-up. This will redirect you to the stock page. And by clicking on the Invert tab, you can see the details of the parts that you have just inverted. That's how you successfully invert parts from a hub. Thank you for watching.